All right, you might be looking to buy a house in Austin, Texas, or one of the surrounding suburbs, or you're just trying to keep an eye on the real estate market and see what it's looking like. Guys, that's what this video is all about. Chris Pesek, broker associate at Pesek Properties. And once a month, I bring you real estate updates on all of the major Austin suburbs. Today, let's talk about Taylor, Texas, home to giant, massive Samsung factory. What's happening in Taylor right now? Here's the numbers. All right, so guys, I thought Taylor was going to take off a little faster this year than what it is, but it's not doing it quite yet. Still waiting for that Samsung factory to get going over there, but it at least is doing what it's supposed to do for a small suburb. You can tell these numbers are a lot different than the big suburbs. Active listings are up to 75 in Taylor, move-in ready homes up to 57. So we're seeing some resale come on the market up there. That's good. But we're also seeing some to be built and builder construction houses, new construction houses, that are hitting the market as well. Under contract is also up. Looks like a big number, but keep in mind, these numbers overall are kind of small. So this is up 4 houses, and it moves at 17%. So because the numbers are small, I don't know that the percentages really make all that much difference here. Average days on market is continuing to come down under 100. Taylor was the last suburb that I study in the Austin area that's gotten under 100, and now it's also under 100. So we're getting fewer and fewer homes, and so those homes are selling a little bit faster. We're seeing that average days on market creep down all across the area. Average sold price continuing to go up slowly. That is a pretty large move, that 24,000. I mean, that's almost 10%. But again, we're dealing with fewer houses here, so that number can be skewed from month to month. Closing the last 30 days, we're up from 9 to 15 again this time of the year. That's what we would expect to see. So overall, Taylor looks like it's going to maintain and stay a healthy market out there. We're going to see more builder inventory coming on the market here as we go through this year. There's a couple of new developments that are supposed to start breaking ground. Not sure if it's going to happen, but we're still going to see more builder inventory hitting the ground out there. I still think this is a good market for investors personally, because once that Samsung plant is done, I think a lot of people are going to be moving out there. But anyway, that's just my that's anecdotal, my thoughts, not really data or numbers. So don't skew that as anything other than that. But there we go. That's what's happening in Taylor. If you've got questions about this, or you want me to do a review on, your neighborhood or a certain part of Austin that I haven't done, let me know. I'm more than happy to do that. And if you're thinking about moving to the Austin area or selling your Austin area house, give me a call. I would love to make your move absolutely as smooth as humanly possible. All right. We'll see you next month.